Hey dear, today I'll tell you how to use a Panda Express gift card. A Panda Express gift card gives the gift of delicious Chinese food from one of the country's favorite takeout and dining restaurants. So let's see how to use it. If you want to use it in a store, then visit a Panda Express restaurant, order your food and drinks, present your gift card to the cashier, and the cashier will scan or swipe the card to apply the balance. If your order costs more than gift card balance, pay the remaining amount with another payment method. And if you want to pay in online or app, just go to Panda Express website or open the Panda Express app. Add items to your cart, then proceed to checkout, select gift card as your payment method and enter your gift card details. Then complete your order. And that's it. That's how you can use a Panda Express gift card.